This is the plaintiff, Juliet Martelli. She says she bought new prescription Gucci framed eyeglasses at the defendant's store, paid top dollar, and they came in wrong. First, she bought a brown pair and got a black one. Second, she can't see out of them. In fact, she's practically blind when she has them on. The defendant's being a bad business person because she refuses to correct the problem, so she's suing for $800, the amount she spent on the wrong frames. This is the defendant, Natalie. She says the glasses the plaintiff, her longtime customer, bought are custom made and exactly what she ordered. The plaintiff simply suffering from buyer's remorse because she's never spent so much money on glasses in the past, and her husband was upset with her for it. Bottom line, no refunds on custom work. She's accused of not seeing things clearly.
All parties, please raise your right hands.
And welcome back to the People's Court. Next case in the docket, the plaintiff bought Gucci prescription glasses from the defendant's store, and they were all wrong, even the color. But the defendant says the glasses were exactly what the plaintiff ordered. It's the case of the eyes don't have it.
Thank you, Douglas. Okay, Juliet Martelli?
Yes.
All right, you are suing the eyeglass store. You've asked us not to mention the name of the store or your last name. Your name is Natalie?
Yes.
Okay. And you have power of attorney by the owner to represent
Yes.
here? All right. For $800, the amount that you paid for some Gucci eyeglasses that you say are not the ones that you ordered. Tell me what happened.
I went to the store. I went there before, this pair that I'm now wearing. That's where I bought them from. When I went there, it was Kim, the defendant, that she showed me some glasses. She showed me a brown pair, and that's the one that I fitted. Anyhow,
Okay, who's Kim? Is that you?
That would be me.
Okay.
Anyhow,
She showed you a brown pair.
yes, I fitted that one. She showed me black ones, but because I'm wearing this one, she told me, why don't I choose the brown one instead? So it looks nice on me. So I said, okay. I chose that one.
Okay.
So a week later, I went to pick up the glasses, but I was late on my lunch break. So I just run over there and I told her I'm going to just grab it and run.
But
So
didn't
she-
you see that they were black?
No.
How do you not see that they're black?
Because I didn't open the case to look at them.
You not only didn't try them on and look and see if you can see through them and have them adjust it to your ears and your head, you literally didn't open it up and look at it?
No.
Okay.
Because I bought these already.
What does that have to do with anything? That has nothing to do with anything on whether this order's right, whether you can see through them. This is all, I wear glasses. I know this is like a touchy thing, like you have to just make sure they're perfect and everything else. I mean,
But anyways, that was the Saturday.
Okay.
That was the Saturday.
All right. So the Saturday on your lunch break,
Yes.
you just grabbed them and said, I refuse to try them on, look or anything. And then you ran and then what?
When I leave
Put
work,
your hand down, please.
I leave work 6:30 that Saturday evening.
Mm-hmm.
And then that was when I went back in my car and I opened the bag to see it.
Right.
When I look, I see it's a black one, but it's the same style as the brown one. So I said, but they're wrong, but the store closes at 6 on Saturday.
Okay.
So the Monday morning I called and I spoke to one of the workers there. So she told me to bring it back.
Okay.
And she's going to have I explained it to her. She said, okay. She's going to have the manager call me.
Okay.
Well, the manager, he never called me. When I called that Wednesday.
Had you left the glasses with them?
Yes,
okay.
I did.
And you called Wednesday?
So I spoke to Kim and I, talked to her. I said, these are the black glasses and I can see out of them because I fit them Saturday night. So she said, oh, it must have been the glare that's on it. The glare protecting when I'm driving at night, it protect me from the opposite vehicle that's coming. That because she had it on her glasses and it almost blind her. So I said, well, they have to remove it from my glasses because I don't want nothing to blind me. So she said, no, they ain't gonna remove it because she gave me a good deal on it with the transition. So that's how I know now that I have transition and that glare.
What's transition? That's that they
The
go.
lens that when you go outside, when the
so
sun
it just
activates,
adjusts dark to
it turns
light
dark,
depending on
yes.
Yes. So she says they ain't gonna remove it. So I said, I don't want no transition on it. What are you talking about? I drive in the daytime with my sunglasses. I only use my test glasses to work in and read and do, watch TV and stuff like that. So she was even offering me to bring my...
I don't understand. Is there paperwork that's okay? You dispute what she's saying.
Yes,
right?
I do.
You say that she actually ordered the black frames.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I
Did she
showed her
try on
black.
brown ones or no?
Yes, she did. But I was telling her to get the brown ones because she already had black.
And?
But she decided to get the black ones.
Okay.
How
How much were these glasses?
They were $800.
I mean, I realize I'm the other extreme because I'm like,
Yes.
drugstore glasses because I sit on them, I lose them. But $800?
Yes, but
Is
please
that
give
because of
them-
the designer part or the transition part or the?
It's the designer, the transitions, the anti-glare, and the progressive lenses.
Do you never
combined.
lose your? You're probably really good. You never lose your glasses.
No.
You don't?
But,
Okay.
But,
Babe,
Your
hold
Honor,
on, hold on. Good.
I just wanted to, when I came back to work that following Wednesday, I was looking for something, another tray, another order, and I saw the glasses. So I called her up and we spoke about the anti-glare, and then she said that the anti-glare wasn't helping her drive. So the glasses that she's wearing now, she said when she picked up this order, she was going to get new lenses in the frames that she has on now. So then I told her what I can do for her. I said that the glasses that you was going to put the new lenses in, I will give you new lenses, but not progressive lenses. They would just be sunglasses.
I'm not understanding. You offered her a deal to do what? Return the Gucci's,
No,
Not
the
return
glasses
the-
that she has on now,
which are what?
those
The ones
that
on her
she's
head.
wearing. Yes.
Okay, those are not the Gucci's.
No.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
The glasses
because
she has
said
on
the
now.
glare was bothering her.
Right.
So I said,
But the glare, the Gucci's.
yes.
Okay,
It-
so-
like the sunlight, when
Right.
you're driving in the daytime.
Okay.
So I told her that I would make her a free pair of glasses, the lenses, just only I would put new lenses in her old frame, the frame that she's wearing now.
Okay.
And I'm gonna make them into sunglasses for her
Okay.
to help her
How will that help?
with the sunlight for daytime driving.
And she says,
She agreed.
okay. And then what happened?
And then she was supposed to come in later on that evening again with her son, and she never came. And then the next thing I knew, she was disputing the credit card.
Okay.
And now we're here.
Okay. Did you ever talk to her?
No, Judge, I never spoke
Okay.
to her.
Why are you there in the lead? Did you? If you never, are you the manager?
Yes, I'm the manager,
Okay,
so
all
I'm
right,
aware
all
of the whole situation. If you'd
Okay,
like
all
to
right.
hear,
But you're the one who actually had the conversations with her, and you sold her the glasses too, right?
Yes.
Okay. So she never comes in to get those free lenses. And then, so what do you think is going on? You just think that she had buyer's remorse because the glasses were so expensive?
I think so. Well, when she first came in and ordered, when she did the purchase, we was picking out the glasses, and I offer her care credit card, which gives you 6 months with no entrance.
So she financed the glasses?
Yes.
You financed the glasses? I thought you had a spare 800. You want to spend them on glasses? Good for you. More power to you. But you actually didn't have the money to buy the $800 glasses, so you financed it? Really? Oh, honey, seriously. And that's not a vision thing. That's a style thing, right? The Gucci glasses and frames don't. I mean, I realize I need to be better to myself, but you need to chill a little too. I mean, come on. You financed the glasses? Oh my gosh. You're not answering, so I assume that's a yes?
Yeah, I
Okay.
financed the glasses.
Did somebody get mad at you when you came home about that, or did you have second
No,
thoughts? All right,
no.
so according to her, she offered to you to put new lenses into your old frames. Did that happen?
No,
What's wrong with the glasses?
I can't see out of it.
Why?
Because-
like, is it you can't see far, you can't see close, you can't
Okay, like when I sit to watch the TV, because I'm a home health aide, I take care of patients. So when I sit with them watching the TV, these glasses, I see, the distance to your decks and me. That glasses, I couldn't watch the TV. Everything gets so small. And then I said I was going to try to drive in it to see, if it's me and the TV. So when I try to drive, I'm like, that glare come to
What do
me
you normally
so
do when
bright.
somebody says, these aren't working for me?
Okay, so what usually happens, we actually offer that to her, ask her to come back to see the doctor again. And if there's any changes, we will change it for her at no charge.
Okay. What
And-
if there's not changes, but there's just something about the curvature or whatever?
Well, she has that type of
I've had
lens
that happen
before.
where all of a sudden they tell me, well, it's the frames you picked have a curvature that blah, blah, blah.
Correct.
Oh, why didn't you tell
But-
me that beforehand?
Yes,
A
but in
curvature
this-
that was going to throw everything off so that now I can't see.
That's
the idea is I
true,
need to
yes.
see.
If
Right.
your glasses are very curvy,
Right.
then yes, it will affect the way you see, but not in this case, Your
Can I
Honor.
see the glasses?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So let's just say, let's do a do-over, okay? She comes in and she says, I can't see out of these. What would be your policy, your store policy?
These are custom-made items,
Okay.
right? So if customer have a problem with the glasses, we have them come back to see the doctor, especially she complained about the prescription.
Right.
So if she comes back and the doctor say this, if he make any changes to the prescription, then we would change it for her at no charge. We wouldn't make
Did
it.
anyone take a look at it to make sure that these
Yes,
were
we
done
did.
according to the
Yes,
prescription?
It's the same exact as prescribed.
So did you ever offer to her, come back in and let's figure
Of
it out?
course, we did many, many times.
And what did she say?
She said she didn't have time to come back in and she's just going to dispute the charges with her credit card company, which she did, and she lost.
Right. Now that doesn't, I that happens all the time with credit card companies, and sometimes the person wins, sometimes the person loses, and none of that makes any difference to me.
Right.
Because the credit card company has different concerns. Some credit card companies
Understand.
just always side with their client.
Right.
It doesn't make it's not persuasive to me either way. I make my own calls. But did she ever say to you about the black and the brown?
Your Honor, that I'm not even aware of the whole brown and black
Right, I
situation,
know
but
you're
that's
saying
not a
that.
big deal.
I'm just
We would change it
that's
to a
what I'm
black.
asking you. That's I didn't
Absolutely.
think that part was a big deal.
Not a big deal at all.
So would you pay $800 for glasses?
It's all about the lens and frame. Actually, no, just the lens. Not the,
Would you pay $800?
if I have money to blow, then yes.
How much are those, by the way?
Insurance.
Insurance. Okay. Would you pay? Okay. Would you pay? Who's vain here? Who's vain? Oh, come on. You're vain. What do you think?
I would never pay $100 for sunglasses.
What's the upper limit here?
Probably 50.
$50 for
Yeah,
prescription glasses?
Oh, for
Lady, you're going to go into a wall. What do you think? What's the limit? Anybody?
I say at least 150 for glasses, but 800 they got to be real special and like.
Okay, real special going inside the courtroom.
So let me see if I got this straight. She can get these in brown,
Yes.
and she can come back in and get a free eye exam,
Yes.
and she can, if there's a change, she can have lenses changed for free. And what part of that don't you like?
They never offer.
Okay, but now they're off. Okay, I got you. I don't know because I wasn't a fly on the wall when you guys all had your discussion. But let's start forward. Let's move forward now. So they're offering that. Do you like that?
Well, in the beginning, if they had done that, I wouldn't be here.
But now, okay, I understand that. But do you like that alternative, or you want your money back?
It's in September, ma'am.
I
you
need an
know.
answer to my question.
But anyhow, if they're willing to change the frame to the brown and fix the lens, that's perfect for me.
Hallelujah.
And then-
All right.
That would not be a problem. At the end of the day, we want a customer to be happy.
All righty then. As for your lawsuit against them for $800, I am finding in their favor, but I am ordering you to abide by what you say is your policy of offering her the opportunity to do all the things that you said you're going to do, that you make good on. If for some reason that does not work, I will reconsider the lawsuit that I just ruled in your favor on. All right? That's my verdict.
Thank you.
Well, has the plaintiff taken yes for an answer? Step right in here and tell me, you seem like you're still mad, even though there's a resolution.
Because they have to remove the transition and that glare, and they have to credit back the credit card company for that.
Mm-hmm. Well, they're going to take care of all this stuff for you. But still, you seem like you're a little mad. Well, why
Because
is
it took so long. They should have called me back. They should have returned my call, and then we would have resolved it long time ago.
Shouldn't have gotten to this,
It
but okay.
shouldn't have gone to
It got
this.
to this. You see them on the other side. They're trying to keep you as a good customer. Are you still going to be a customer of theirs?
No.
Oh, All right, there you go. You just heard what she had to say. First of all, what do you think about this resolution?
I think it's very fair. We offered her all of this a long time ago, over and over again, and she didn't want to take it. She just wanted to dispute it with her credit card company and thinking that she was going to get her money back. But of course she didn't, and that's how we ended up here.
Yeah, you just heard her last word, very short, N-O. She's no longer a customer. In view of that, was this all worth it for you?
I mean, no. I mean, we would prefer a happy customer, but if that's how she feels, we obviously can't change it. But
Harvey?
Okay, obviously, if the glasses are not done right, the judge will make a ruling on the merits of the lawsuit. And that will do it for this case. Litigants for the next case on the way into the courtroom right now.